all the factors of 40, I always start with a 1. And then I count down. 3 is not a factor, but 5 is a factor. These are all the factors of 40. What this means is we need to have a 1 on this side of the ratio. You can divide by 2.5 straight away if that works for you. It's a non-calculated paper, so you might prefer to do it this way. So I multiplied by 2, and then I'm going to divide by 5. This gives me 3 to 1. This is in the ratio n to 1. Okay, 2 ways of doing this. You can list out all of the factors. Now, when I did this the first time, I actually made a mistake. This is one way, and lots of people prefer it. I managed to do it the other way, and I'll show you how to do that, which was my check. And as I say, it was more reliable. So let's see where we get to. I know that 6 is a factor because 2 and 3 are also a factor. Obviously, it's 60, so these do make sense. 114, tricky one, this one. I can halve it, it's an even number, so I know that 2 is a factor. I know that 3 is a factor because 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6, so 3 is a factor. You might need to do bus stop to be able to work out what the number is that with the factor pair. And again, I know that 6 is a factor because 2 and 3 are also a factor. As I say, the mistake I made the first time was to think 3 was the highest common factor. Actually, the highest common factor is 6. So the alternative ways, this is all we could do this one here. So we could do factor trees. Prime factor trees. This is 60 as a factor tree. Numbers aren't particularly pleasant. You might not know that 19 is a prime number. Draw it into a Venn diagram. The common numbers here, I've got 1, 2, and 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. I put those in the middle. On this side, I have 2 and a 5. This side, I have 19. And my highest common factor is these two numbers multiplied together. I know that appears a little complicated. It really helps when it comes to lowest common multiple as well.